Running a small woodworking business, this cut has made me the most money because it's quick, easy, doesn't require much wood, and the end result is one of the most useful and versatile designs that I use for a variety of projects. To set this up, I set my blade to about 1/4 inch below the height of my material. Then I tilt my blade to 15 degrees. Now, using my miter gauge, I make repeated cuts to create an angled groove in the block of wood. What this does is it creates a low profile stand that can be used for anything from smartphones, tablets, and laptops to cutting boards and skateboards. One thing that I like to do is cover the edges of my pieces with masking tape to prevent tear out. If I'm cutting a piece like this that I've glued together, I'll use a scrap piece of 2x6 to test the width before I begin cutting. I sell a lot of these laser engraved phone stands. I'll put a link to the laser engraver that I use in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to tap the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.